ETUsports.com here with head baseball coach Lee Driggers. Coach, coming off a hard weekend against Concordia, but back at home with Howard Payne this weekend. Kind of talk about how the team's doing.
Yeah, well, I think we continued to struggle against Concordia. There's no doubt. Last weekend we did. We just continually do the same things over and over. We're just not getting runs in when we have them on base, and we're having one. It seems like it's one bad inning that continues to haunt us as we go through. And for the rest of the game, we continue to compete. But the old saying. You can't appreciate the mountaintops if you don't go through some valleys, and we're definitely in a valley right now. We've got to try to inch ourselves up that mountain just a little bit over the last 6 weeks of the season here. We've got Howard Payne coming in this weekend. We're back at home again, and it's not going to get any easier for us because everybody that's coming in now, we're playing the guys in the conference now that are fighting for the same thing we are to try to be in the top 8 at the end of the season, and so that's what we're going to have to try to do this weekend against Howard Payne. And we're just going to have to put together some solid baseball, just like I've been saying every week. And so far, we haven't been able to do that over the past couple of 2-3 weekends, and so we just need to continue to do it. Our kids are working hard; they haven't given up. We have good practices. We're out there doing it, and we're just going to keep on trying until hopefully we get this thing turned around.
All right, Coach. Thanks a lot.
You bet.